last day in Illinois. I don't know where my glasses are. Going to have, where am I? Going to have breakfast with my cousins. Had a restaurant that my other cousin works at. That's one thing I noticed. Here the temperature is constant. I drive from one end of town to the other, it stays the same. It stays the same all day. It was 33 all day yesterday. In Colorado, you drive from one end of town to the other, it might be a 10-degree difference. But anyway, the temperature was constant. High of 34, low of 29. Never happens that way in Colorado. Driving through the ghetto. Check engine light is on in my Vette. I don't know if I said that before. Came on as soon as I hit Kansas. It was already fed up with Kansas. But it came on and it's been on ever since. It's one thing about these cars is they have so many sensors that if one sensor is not feeling very good that day, it'll trip check engine light or whatever. It'll trip something. Something will flash. It hasn't really seemed like it's doing anything wrong. Nothing seems wrong. And it came on right after I bought it. The day after I bought it, it came on. And then I think it was the next day or the day after, it just went off. I'm hoping it's just some sensor that's got a tummy ache or something. I don't know. I look like I just woke up. It's because I did. Now you know why I wear my glasses. I don't know what I did with them. I must have left them in my uncle's truck. Alright, boys and girls. Just went to breakfast with my cousins. Stopped and got something to drink at Steak and Shake. Now I'm going back to my aunt and uncle's to hang out and leave out in the morning. There were quite a few people I didn't get to see on this trip. The weather was crappy and it just didn't work out. I'm gonna have to come here more often than every 10 years. It's time for an on-the-road show and tell. I don't know, a couple weeks ago I was surfing eBay. I was looking at the camera stuff and I came across this little bundle of awesomeness right here. It's a Nikon 70 to 300 millimeter lens. This one that I have and I've been using is an 18 to 55. So this is the next step up from that. There's been a few shots that I've had. I zoomed in as far as I could with this and I couldn't get the shot. You couldn't see what it was. Normally these things are, I hate to say, I don't know, $400 or $500. I found it on eBay, brand new, in the box, $115. Free shipping. It came with, of course, the lens cap. It came with a UV filter, which I've already got installed. It's just a little ring. And then the cap for the back end. I don't think I've used it yet for anything, but it's just nice to have it. Go ahead and put it on here. The one thing that it doesn't do autofocus. This mechanism won't drive it. It drives, I can do autofocus with this one, or the camera will focus it. But this one you have to do manually, which it's not that hard because it's got this big dish that is easy to grab. It's a pretty sweet deal. I had some time lapses that I wanted to shoot that I couldn't get close enough. I needed to be out far enough to see the whole thing, but then I was too far out. I needed to zoom in a little bit to get it, and I've been unable to do so. So if you're a photographer or videographer and you're looking for something that has a little more power, go on eBay, check it out. This might help you out. I know it's going to help me out. And that concludes show and tell for today. The journey continues. rolled out of Decatur this morning. I'm heading to Florida. Probably stop in Atlanta. I don't know. Still cloudy. Haven't seen the sun in I don't know how many days. It's a song, isn't it? Oh, it's a real pain in the butt. Is that there's gas stations down here that only have 87 octane. This car runs on high octane, 91 at least. 93 down here. Well, 91 is what I found, but there are a lot of gas stations that all they have is 87. We don't have that in Colorado. Most all gas stations have all three. Have 85, 87, 89. Or 85, 87, 91, whatever it is there. You get down to Florida, they got 93. So Google Maps has me going down some backcountry roads. Ooh. This is a rough one. Barely, I mean barely 2 lane, barely 2 cars wide. Normally it doesn't send you on small roads like this, but I guess out here in the heartland there's not a whole lot of other choices. Almost caught air several times on crossroads. Whoa. No. Oh man. It gets better. Now it's a dirt road. I can see the interstate up here. Let's just hope I can make it, because it's a little bit squishy. Google Maps is killing me here. Alright, so it wasn't entirely Google Maps' fault, go figure. Apparently I wasn't zoomed in close enough, and I was close enough to the interstate. It looked like it was a straight shot. Well, to zoom in, there was a little jog. So when I got to that T where I went straight, I was supposed to turn left, and it went down about a quarter mile and then turned again, the highway turn. So, my fault. The road I was on before that, the paved road that was real bumpy and real skinny, that was all Google. Not typical road I would expect Google to put you on, but whatever, it wasn't that bad. I was going 55 on it, catching air a little bit, hitting potholes a little bit. It wasn't a good road, but I made it. That dirt road was sketchy. It was slick. I was sliding all over. Welcome to the lovely state of Kentucky. Tennessee. It's 61 outside. Getting closer. Things are getting green. There's still no leaves on the trees, but I know it's coming. Through Nashville, and I'm shooting for Atlanta by, I don't know, 7. There's a ton of road, well, not so much here, but when I got into Tennessee, there was a ton of roadkill. Every mile there was something. And for a while there, you'd be at one roadkill and you would see the next one up. And then you get to that one, you'd see the next one. It was just that often something dead on the road. So I'm not too excited about driving in the night around here with this little car. And I really don't want to have a dead deer for a passenger. I wanted Atlanta. I got Chattanooga. All the farther I could make it before it got dark. Really don't want to test out the deer eater. I'll just have a nice long day of driving tomorrow, but I'm going to get out of here real early. But now I'm going to put this video together so that I can get it uploaded, and tomorrow I'll be in Florida. Staying at another Comfort Inn Suites. Got another free room with points, and I've got enough points for one more room, one more night, so I'll use that on the way back. So with that concludes the third day of driving. It's third day, one more day and I'm there.